So the question that will come to you, we have already seen trigger handlers in the last video. If you have not seen, please take a look. So what are trigger handlers? So the interviewer may ask you, what is a trigger handler? So the answer is, trigger handler will actually modularize classes to store the trigger business logic, which is called from the trigger body. So this is like in Spring Boot, it's like it is like a separation of concern, okay, where the service logic is separate from the business logic. It helps in, sorry for the spelling mistake here, it helps in debugging, organizing, and enhanced error handling. So now let's look at the trigger example code. So what really you have to do is, so you will create a trigger on an object and handle all the events. But look here, hardly any minimum actual business logic code lies in the class and the static method. See, before delete, before update, before insert, and this is where it lies. So you see, you don't see any logic written over here. Everything, everywhere you see account trigger handler dot something. So that is a static method of this class. So this is